As most of us are in lockdown at home, we are left to wonder what a post-coronavirus world might look like. There's a lot of unknown about how the world will transform after we get the novel coronavirus under control. But it is extremely unlikely that the things will go back exactly the way they were before. Our workforces are likely to change, and the skills that company will require will also change. So here are 8 skills that you must have to get a secure job in the company of the future and to make your job future proof. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, because we will be bringing more such videos to help you achieve great skills and be relevant to the market. The first skill is adaptability and flexibility. One thing is for certain, the ways companies operate and work is going to change. The world was already changing rapidly, but the pandemic accelerated it. There will be few jobs for life. Someone that is going to succeed in a post-coronavirus world will need to be able to adapt to the ever-evolving workplaces and have the ability to continuously upgrade their skills and refresh what they know. The second skill is tech savviness. One of the best ways to prepare yourself for a post-coronavirus world is to acquire technology skills. The COVID-19 pandemic is fast-tracking digital transformations in the company as they are trying hard to become more resilient to the future outbreaks and disruptions. The reality is that technologies such as artificial intelligence, big data, the Internet of Things, virtual and augmented reality, and robotics will make businesses more resilient to future pandemics, and anyone that can help companies exploit these technologies will be in a great position. The third skill is creativity and innovation. We have already seen the importance of creativity and innovation during this pandemic. Businesses that have been able to come up with ways to deliver services virtually, like many healthcare providers have done, or quickly shift to new products like Mercedes F1 that has shifted from making racing cars to breathing aids, or Asian Paints that has shifted from making paints to hand sanitizers. In a post-coronavirus world, we will need human ingenuity to invent, dream up new products and ways of working. Human creativity is going to be very essential. You know that data is the new oil of the 4th industrial revolution. Data is a critical aspect for every company. With the right data, the companies are able to better predict the impact of the future businesses and the disruption that may occur in the future as well. This way, they are better able to serve their customers with the right products and the services during or after pandemic. Companies that understand business trends and are shifting are in better position to understand the needs of the future, and they will do well. The data is useless to a company unless there is a data literacy. So people who have data literacy and can make good use of data will be going to be in a great demand, and the professional with data literacy are going to be very appealing to the companies and the employers more than ever before. The next skill we need is critical thinking. Another skill that will be essential as our global economy rebuilds from the damage done by the COVID-19 in critical thinking. During the pandemic, we have seen a spike in fake news and misinterpretation of data and studies. As leaders, businesses and governments are trying to shift blame and divert attention, and proper scrutiny is important, people who can objectively evaluate information from diverse sources to determine what credible data is to be valued and what should be omitted are going to be in a great demand. Organization will need to rely on critical thinking to understand what information should be used for decision making and what should be communicated further. The next skill is digital and coding skills. The digital transformation of the organization got a boost because of coronavirus. Professionals with digital skills including coding, web development, and digital marketing will be in huge demand more than ever for the companies and the employers. People who can keep the digital businesses running and thriving during the economic turndowns or pandemic that make in-person business impossible or less efficient are going to be on the must-hire list. And basically, all companies are now digitally based in some way. So the opportunities to put digital skill to work are countless. The next skill is leadership skill. One of the changes in a world that is heavily augmented by the support of machines and where social distancing and home working might continue for foreseeable future is that people at all levels of the organization will be in a position where they lead others. Gig economy is only going to grow post coronavirus, and people will be working in more fluent teams where people are taking lead at different times. Professionals with strong skills in leadership, including how to bring out the best and inspire team as well as encourage collaboration, will be in demand in all companies, and all employers are going to seek such people. The last skill we need is emotional intelligence. Closely linked to leadership is another skill that is even more important in uncertain and challenging times. Emotional intelligence, or what we call is EQ. The ability to be aware of, express and control your emotions and be aware of others' emotions as well is what emotional intelligence is all about. At times when people might feel uncertain about their jobs, their future or their business, it is a key to connect people from different strata of the society. Individuals with strong EQ will be coveted by all organizations of all sizes in all industries. So these are 8 skills which you need to follow and which you need to have to make your job future proof and to secure a safe job in the future at the present. So I hope this video helps you, and I hope that you are going to enhance yourself with these skills and take full benefit of the video. Thank you so much for sticking around. We will be back with more such videos. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.